Hi, so we're going to show you around the resort. We're in Parrot Key in Key West. The weather is not the greatest today, but it's beautiful still. So this is the adults only pool. There are 4 pools in total here in the resort. Every pool has a bathroom changing station as well. The largest pool in the resort has a bar and a restaurant. And all the pools communicate. They're in the center of the resort. Okay. So the lobby is over there on the right. So we're going to give you a quick tour of the whole resort. The resort suites have garden views. It has water views of the bay and also ocean or bayfront views. Also has a sunset pier that you can view the sunset from, and lounge chairs and the stands that you can relax. The suites right here on the right, those are the ocean front or waterfront. So this is the way that you go if you were to go to the sunset pier. The suites that have the ocean views, they'll lead you to this pathway here that takes you to that sunset pier that we're telling you about. Hello, how do you like the
Oh, it's nice. Very
resort?
Nice. Tropical.
And this is the hallway that leads to our suite. We're staying in Suite 27A. This is our bathroom here. In our suite. It has a king size bed. Little closet. It has demand, mini bar, mini fridge, and this is a sitting area outside. And an ocean view from our balcony. We have enjoyed our stay. It's very peaceful here, very nice and quiet, and it's very conveniently located. Right when you come in from the highway, it's probably about 2 miles or so. How do you rate the room in the stay?
I'll give it a 5-star. It's pretty nice, comfortable. Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.